Hey guys, welcome to another episode of El Jefe's Shop. I'm Jeff, and today we're going to be unveiling some new wheels. So these wheels are from Japan. I got them on Yahoo Auctions as always. So pretty much Yahoo Auctions, search for what you want, find what you're after, and then you can always email Jesse Streeter and send the link to him. He'll bid on it on your behalf, and then if you're successful, you pay him. He'll ship it, sort everything out for you, rock up on your door, depending what shipping you pay for. So I paid for just sea shipping, which is the cheapest. It takes about 6 weeks or 8 weeks, depending on where they are in the cargo with the containers. So this is the wheels. I've got a set, but this is the pair that I haven't unwrapped. There's some over there, but I'm not going to show you that. So these wheels I've been looking for about 5 years. I used to have a huge wheel collection, over 100 Jap and assorted alloy wheels and stuff. This is pretty much the only set I couldn't find that I was looking for. So they're super duper rare. I've never actually seen them in real life. I've never seen them in a photo on a car, not a render. I've only seen catalogue photos, and only one catalogue and 3 photos until this auction popped up. This auction was the first time I'd actually seen a photo of the wheel being actually produced. So they came in 2 sizes, 13 by 5.5 plus 38-ish. Can't really remember off the top of my head. And a 14-inch, I think it was a 6, about 38 as well. So they're super rare. They're built by Paramount, and they're so weird that the center caps have a fax number on them and a website on every wheel on the center cap. So I'll get to unboxing these and we'll go from there. So the typical Jesse Streeter plastic wrap and cardboard. So if you've never bought wheels from Streeter before, or Yahoo Auctions, whoever you get it sent through, they're normally wrapped up at about this stage. Sometimes they don't have the bubble wrap, sometimes they do. It's normally just newspaper or cardboard, but he normally just puts one on top, one on the bottom, and then plastic wrap around it. So with these ones, they were double wrapped, which is special because these ones, there's something going on with these that I haven't told you yet, and we'll show you in a second. So you can see the back of the wheel there. Any ideas yet? Right now, I'm going to guess that most of you wouldn't have picked what this is. So I got all the wrapping paper off. Now you can see that these are in rather good condition. And it turns out, I thought they were, but I wasn't 100% sure. There was nothing on the ad about it. But these are actually new old stock, so they've never been on a car, never mounted, no tyre weights, no wheel weight, sorry. No tyres mounted, no corrosion or anything on the hub face. And all the bolts are absolutely immaculate, so super rare find. These were, I believe, 80s, maybe early 90s. So to find a set that haven't been on a car is incredible, let alone to find this set in general. So I don't actually have a car for these, but I'll find something. So here we go. These are the Paramount wheels that I've bought. So they're called the Wheel 20,000. It says agent, and then there's a website and a fax number and patent pending. So I'll show you that one right there. Pretty interesting. So obviously they're kind of disgusting, kind of awesome, depending on your take. They look like xylophones, they look like the Wheel of Fortune. I've had people ask me if I'm going to put a dial here that points down, so when you drive they point to different colours. And other people have asked me if they make different noises, which they don't. So another thing, having not seen these in person before, or having known anyone with them, these tiles, or whatever you want to call them, the spokes I guess, they're actually plastic, which was surprising. I thought they were metal with like a powder coat or a paint over the top. They seem to be plastic But again, I don't know if they're painted or powder coated, or if they're like coloured plastic. I have a feeling they're just painted, because that seems like the most, I don't know, the easiest solution when you're manufacturing this sort of thing. But if you look in the wheel holes where the lugs go, there's actually no marks or damage whatsoever in any of them. So there's absolutely unreal condition. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's actually a sparkle in the paint on the barrel, which seems quite weird as well. But the lips are painted in the same silver with glitter in it, or the metallic, sorry. So it's pretty cool. Super glad to have these on in my hands. Been looking for about, yeah, like I said, 5 years. Which is just unreal to find a new old stock set as well. Absolutely stoked. So like I said, I don't have a car for these, and I could put them on my wagon or on Emily's Seor, but I'm still not sure if I actually want to put them on a car, because they're brand new and probably the best part of 30, 40 years old. Do I ruin them and put them on a car, or do I leave them in such great condition and put them on show or storage or whatever? So my main issue is I really want to put them on something, because you're never going to see another set. I'll be the only bloke to put them on anything. Well, please correct me, because I would love to see some more of them. But yeah, I don't want to ruin them, so I don't want to put them on a car, but I also don't want to waste them and not get them out into the public and get photos of them on cars. So I may just put a set of tyres on there and put them on a car, go get a couple of photo shoots or something like that. Swap cars over, put them on a few different cars or something. Just try and get more photos of them out. I want to get more like a professional photo shoot on them anyway, which sounds ridiculous. But because they're so rare, I just need to do something, because I couldn't even find photos of these being a real wheel. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I'll unwrap the other one and I'll show you the full set. Awesome. Absolutely wrapped. So on the back, I misled you with the sizes. They're actually a 13 by 5 plus 35. It says Paramount, and it says Japan A356, whatever that means. It says EK as well, so maybe they're an Inky Paramount, which is what I've heard. Again, I don't know a whole lot of details. Just been searching forever. So let's go grab the other one and I'll show you the whole set together. Alright, so I've unwrapped all four and laid them out on the couch. Sorry, Em. But these are the coolest wheels ever. Or the most disgusting, depending on your stand. Couch looks super nice too, but these wheels are just ridiculous. So I'll zoom in on that center cap. And on the metallic flake you can see there. So these may have been restored, but I doubt it. There's not a single blemish on the front or on the back or on the lips or anything. They're just absolutely unreal. So that's my Inky Paramounts. Thanks for watching, and on to the next set of wheels. So the next set of wheels I want to show you today is these Alcoas I got for the C30 Dodge project. So these are a 16 by 6 inch Alcoa, and they come stock on I think an F350 or an F250 in the USA. So these two are the same as the fronts, or the inside rears, and these two are the outside rears. So they're the same wheel, just one side's polished and one side's not. So I've got another pair of these coming, but the guy forgot to post them for whatever reason, so I'm still waiting on those. But as you can see, the outside rears have a lot of dish, and then the inside rears are the exact opposite. They're pretty cool. So I'll flip this one over and show you that's the same as that front. So you can bolt these on whichever way you want, but they're just not polished on this side. So the plan is to run 6 of the same all round, and then you can always swap out one if you have a spare or whatever, and you get a flat tyre or something like that. So they're pretty cool. These tyres are temporary. A friend of mine, Tim, donated these ages ago, and just had them sit in the shed until something popped up with 16s. So this seems to be the go. They're all the same size, which is good. They're quite tiny. They're only a 205/55 16, which is pretty small for a truck, so they're only temporary, but just to get it rolling around. They hold air pressure and all that sort of stuff. So when I get the other 2 fronts, I've got this pair of tyres, which are a bit bigger. So these ones are a 215/55 16. So they're actually a bit trashed, but doesn't matter, they hold air, that's all I'm after. So once these go on the C30, we'll be able to roll around nice and easy. I'll have a full set of wheels. And I've got one spare steel wheel that's a 16, which I'll keep as the spare long term. So thanks for watching, see you on another episode.